Hello guys, this is part 3 of the Suzuki Skywave and Burgman starter motor replace. Okay, then this is the new starter motor. It's identical to the original one but without any label. So now I'm connected the wires, the hot one and the ground one, to test the motor before installation. The shaft should rotate clockwise, so make sure to test your starter motor before putting in before install. Okay. Single hand. Okay, so it's rotating clockwise by this direction, so like this to the right, and that's what we are looking for. You may ask why it's rotate to clockwise while the engine is already running clockwise, and how that could be. Well, there is a gear connect to that shaft, the starter motor shaft, and that gear is connected to the that gear is the clutch, the starter clutch, which has a gear, and that gear is connected between that shaft and the crankshaft gear. So let's face it, we have a shaft rotating like this. So imagine that there is another shaft in this area, while this one is rotating to the right. The bottom one should rotate this way. You see, right, like this. And imagine in this area the crankshaft. Now clockwise, you see. Make sure that your starter motor is rotate clockwise, not counterclockwise. So now let's put it down there. Guys, I can't do this with a single hand, so I will pause the record and continue. Okay guys, the starter is now installed. This is the ground wire, is connected. also whatever. This is the hot one, and here is it. Don't forget to loop the rubber seal before installing the starter. This is important. Okay. Just for the record, I was testing the starter motor before use at the start of the part 3, so the ground one was connected. When the ground one is connected, you can use this 10mm nut to hold the ground wire by the bolt. Okay, but when you want to install the starter, you can't push the starter like this, because that bolt will prevent this, will prevent the starter from getting inside. So next I will install the air filter and connect the FI connectors, fuel injection system connectors, and run the engine. So I will pause and continue. Alright guys, everything is now installed, the airbox and the fuel injection system. Now I will simply just start the engine. Well, thanks for watching. See you later.